Why do high school students who have focused on social from the beginning choose to switch to science when they were entering university? These questions became increasingly relevant in today's rapidly changing world, particularly with the accelerated development of digital technology. This phenomenon reflects a shift in how younger generations choose their future career. As many believe that job prospects in social are more limited if we compare it to the science in this field, which are seen as more aligned to these current global realities.
Social science students should be allowed to transfer to the science track because education must respect the development of student potential student interest and abilities can change over time, and early academic streaming does not always reflect their true capabilities. With proper guidance and begin program, motivation social science student can adapt and succeed in science subject. Moreover, allowing transfer promotes fairness and equal opportunity in education. If can students are permitted to move to social science, the same can qualify in reverse. The police also help remove the stigma that social science is inferior and allows students to access better education and career opportunities in pursuits as medicine, engineering, and applied science.
Changing approach towards social science or SOSFOM, students pivoting to STEM, Scientech, is a realistic and strategic move against the dynamics of the global job market. Based on data from the World Economic Forum, the STEM sector is projected to continue dominating job growth over the next decade, particularly in digital technology, healthcare, and renewable energy. This creates a supply and demand imbalance, where STEM graduates are absorbed into the workforce more quickly with starting salaries that tend to be higher compared to social science graduates, who often face an oversupply in the market. In terms of opinion, this cross-major phenomenon actually produces highly favorable hybrid professionals, such whom students who successfully break into STEM style prove they possess extraordinary ability and a blend of soft skills, communication, and empathy. With technical hard skills, therefore, choosing STEM does not mean ignoring one's interests, but rather represent a more measured future investment to achieve economic stability and career security in an industrial era that increasingly prioritizes technological innovation.
A UK HESA study said that social graduates can find jobs faster and achieve higher senior position than science or art graduates. In Indonesia, social dominate finance, media, and police, reduce the risk of underemployment for non-technical graduates. Social graduates master communication, critical thinking, and teamwork, which AI difficult to replace, making them ideal for management, business, and creative roles. For example, sociology provides social analyst skill for HR or market research, with prospect in private company. Social majors are more flexible than natural science, which are technical approach, according to LinkedIn 2024.
Crossing majors is not permitted for students who wish to continue their studies. This is not only because they lack sufficient knowledge from their school years, but also reduce exercise anxiety caused by falling behind in their studies. Many students choose to switch major because they are afraid of not getting a decent job opportunity. As many people say that science and technology majors have more job opportunities than social science majors. The fact is that currently 40% of technical workers have lost their job because they have been replaced by AI. What will happen after 2030? By the time they graduate from college, AI will have developed rapidly. Social science graduates can also contribute to the economy in ways that cannot be replaced by AI. Jobs such as lawyers, politicians, managers, journalists, and judges cannot be replaced by AI. And you know, the ministers of BUMN are all social science graduates. So, the ones driving change in the country are social science graduates.
From a supportive perspective, this shift from social science to science and technology is often linked to growing demand for STEM-based skills in modern workplace. Rapid technological development has shaped the perception that science and technology fills over border and more sustainable career opportunities. Encouraging students to pursue majors they believe are more aligned with current and future global realities. From a digital perspective, this shift may overlook the continued relevance of social science and humanities in professional world. These fields play a crucial role in developing non-technological skills such as leadership, communication, and decision making, which are essential for long-term career success. Therefore, prioritizing science and technology over social science solely based on job prospects can oversimplify the complexity of career development.